Lose yourself in nature and embark on a journey into your unconscious mind. Find a comfortable place to sit, close your eyes, and take a deep breath, and we'll begin. Imagine that you're in a meadow. Let your imagination take you to a meadow on a summer's day. Feel your feet on the grass. How long is it? Look around you. What can you see? Are there birds, insects, trees? Really fill as much detail as possible, and remember, it's your meadow. There is no right or wrong way to imagine it. Let your other senses come into play. What can you hear? Perhaps humming of insects, birds singing, the sound of wind gently swaying distant trees. What can you smell in your meadow on this warm summer's day? If you breathe deeply, what can you taste? Really take time now to build the image of your meadow so that you feel really present in this place. Perhaps you might like to walk around and explore. What are you wearing? What does it feel like to be in this meadow? Be aware that at one edge of the meadow, the ground gets rougher and starts to slope away into what looks like a dark, deep valley. You can decide that perhaps one day you will explore that valley, but for now, just be aware of its presence. How do you feel when you look towards that valley? What can you see in that direction? Now turn around in your meadow and see that in the other direction there's a path that leads to a mountain. Really picture this mountain in all its splendour. Again decide that one day you will explore that mountain, but for now, just be aware of its presence. How do you feel when you look towards that mountain? What can you see in that direction? As you look towards the mountain, you see a bird flying towards you. See the bird getting bigger and bigger as it gets closer to you, and in its beak it has a jewel. And as it flies over you, it drops this jewel, and you catch it in your hand. Thank the bird for this gift, and sense the power and strength of this object as you hold it tightly in your hand. Now look at the jewel. What does it look like? What colour is it? What size is it? Do you know what kind of jewel it is? Get a clear picture of the jewel, and then when you feel ready, open your eyes and come back to your ordinary, everyday consciousness and bring the jewel with you. What was your experience on this journey? I wonder what the jewel means to you.